No sticky situations here, well, maybe some. 3M is a good company to get attached to, and college students couldn't agree more as they name it a great place to start their careers. The Fortune 500 company invented Scotch tape nearly 100 years ago, and just recently they've been named to the Fortune's list of America's most admired companies. But this company isn't just into taping things together. 3M currently makes more than 55,000 products, including laminates, dental tools, electronic circuits, and film. 3M is one of the 30 companies listed in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. They follow a business model based on the ability to not only develop unique products, but to also manufacture them efficiently and consistently around the world. In fact, more than half of 3M's sales come from overseas markets in about 200 countries. If you're looking for a company to really stick with, then follow the links right here on our site. For Career TV, I'm Diane King.